Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you all are doing well and staying safe and staying inside. For today's video, I have my spring hygiene routine. You guys love my hygiene routines here on my channel, and I love making them because I love smelling good, I love feeling fresh and clean and moisturized and everything of the sort. So if you guys are interested in this type of content, definitely stick around and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. I upload beauty, fashion, lifestyle, hair, budget videos, all types of content here on my channel, a full range of everything Jessica Noelle. So if any of that interests you, I definitely suggest that you stick around and join the fam. Also, while you're down there subscribing, make sure to give this video a like because that will just let me know what type of content you guys like here on my channel, even though I already know you guys love the hygiene and like smelling good content. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into my spring hygiene routine. Okay guys, so I'm not going to be doing my skincare routine in this video, just because I want to save that for another video, so that'll be a separate video all on its own. But usually when I get in the shower, I do wash my face, except now I don't because I don't have lash extensions on right now, but I usually have lash extensions. And with lash extensions, I do like to wash my face outside of the shower. I just find that it just makes my lash extensions last longer, which is what we always want. So once I'm done washing my face, I obviously like wet my body, make sure everything's nice and, you know, saturated. And then I go in with my Dove Sensitive Skin Bar Soap. I really love Dove soap. I was using Ivory for a while, but I feel like Ivory just really dries my skin out and it's not my favorite thing. So I really love Dove. I picked this up at the dollar store. I pick out just like 5 at a time for like $5, and it just works really well. I love the way it feels on my skin. I use this on a washcloth and I just, you know, rub it all over, making sure to get all of my skin. I don't use this on my face, obviously. I use other stuff, but this is just for my body. I love it so much. It smells good, it feels good, and I can't complain. And it's really cheap, so I love that. Once that is all done, I go ahead in and clean down there, the lady parts. So for this, I use the Lemisol, and it's a Spanish product. I don't know where it's like technically from, but this is just like a feminine wash. I did not like the Summer's Eve, or what was the other one? I did like Vagisil for a while, I'm not gonna lie. The pH Balance Vagisil was really, really good. But I just like this one because it's like really good for like my pH. I feel like with the Vagisil, like it was okay, but I feel like this just really, really cleans everything. I don't put this obviously inside. This is just for outside, the general vicinity of the lady parts down there. I really like this because it doesn't affect anything down there. I'm really sensitive down there, so even the Dove soap for sensitive skin irritates me down there. So I keep all the rest of the products that I use far away because it just irritates me. So this is my favorite one. It's just I don't know what it is. It's like really refreshing. It's almost like minty down there. It's almost like mouthwash. So it's really nice. I really like it. I picked this up at Walmart, but they also have it on Amazon. I will link it on Amazon for you guys down below, so you can go ahead and pick it up for yourself if you want to try it out. But I really love this. It just makes me feel really, really fresh and clean, especially after that time of the month. It just really makes everything feel super fresh and super clean. Like I said, it's like mouthwash for down there, and it's amazing. Once that is all done, I do go ahead, if it's that time, to shave my legs or my like armpits. But I go ahead in with this Pure Silk Rich and Luxurious Shave Cream. This is the Dry Skin Therapy Moisturizing with Aloe and Vitamin E. I picked this up from Walmart. I don't know if they make this brand anymore. I haven't seen it, and I'm running out, but I really like this brand. It's really inexpensive, and it works really, really well. I love it for shaving my legs. I have really, really dry skin. If I like shave too much or like shower too much and don't apply lotion, it just gets really, really irritated for me. So I love this so much. It's super moisturizing, but it really lets you get the hair when you're shaving. And yeah, so I use this on my armpits and on my legs, and I have no complaints. It is really, really good. Like I said, it is rich and luxurious, I will agree. But I haven't seen this at Walmart, so if I can find it online, I will link it for you guys. But also, what are your favorite shaving creams? Inexpensive, because honestly, I do not need an expensive shaving cream. It's not that serious. So, but let me know your favorites down below, because I haven't seen this at Walmart recently. So definitely let me know. And the razors that I use are the Bic Soleil Twilight Smoother Shave, and it has scented handles. I don't know why that matters, but it does. So I love these so much. It just gives me like the best shave, I find. I picked this up at Walmart. This is what they look like. And I feel like these work really, really well for my legs and for my armpits and everything like that. It's just a really, really sharp blade, I find, and it just leaves my skin super smooth and with no nicks or like ingrown hairs or anything like that on my legs. I really, really enjoy them, and they're not too expensive. I think I paid $5 or $6 for this pack of 4. I used to use just like the one-time use like disposable ones, but I just found that my skin was getting really, really irritated with those, and I just could not use them anymore. So I went ahead and upgraded a little bit to these. Also, have you guys tried the Billy razor? I definitely want to try that out. It looks so, so nice, but I know it's a little expensive, and since I'm only shaving my legs and my armpits, I feel like it's not worth it. But then I'm like, what if it's like amazing and I need to try it and it just like works better than, you know, these razors, and I won't have to shave as much. So I don't know, but let me know if you guys have tried it out. I will definitely take your recommendation, but I love these for right now. These have done me well since, you know, for a very long time now, so why fix it if it ain't broke? You know what I mean? So once I'm done shaving my legs and my armpits, I do go ahead with this right here. You guys are probably wondering, like, what the heck is this? This is a anti-cellulite block. Actually, my mom got this for me a while ago, and I just found it in my closet because I cleaned out my like bathroom closet where I store my like beauty essentials and stuff. So I just rub this on the booty, and it just really helps with cellulite, and especially now with the quarantine 15, you know, your girl's getting a little thicker for the summer. So this just really helps, you know, circulate the blood flow and helps with like the little dimples you might be getting on your booty. If you're thicker down there, you definitely know what I'm talking about, and if you have cellulite, you know what I'm talking about. But this just helps with all of that and just makes it a little bit, you know, smoother down there. So this is really great. I love the body wash that comes in this. It has like its own body wash built in, and this body wash smells so good. I wish I knew what it was, because I would 100% buy the body wash that this is like soaked with. So I just run this under the shower head, and it just gets really soapy, and you just kind of like rub it on your skin in circular motions just to kind of like, you know, like I said, get the blood flowing in your booty. And it's just really nice. I really like it. I've only been using it for like 1 or 2 weeks now because I just found it in my closet, but it has definitely become a part of my routine, and I have been loving it. And it just smells so good. If I could find the body wash for this, I would be one happy gal. But speaking of body wash, I have a new one, which the scent, guys, I am literally obsessed with. Like, if I could wear this, I mean, like, I do wear it every day, but if I could like just like drench myself in this every day, which I honestly do, you know, I would be completely happy. So this is from Soap and Glory. I picked this up at Ulta. This is the Call of Fruity and Exotic Bubble in Paradise Refreshing Body Wash. It has exotic cool formula, a refreshing blend of juicy mango and mandarin extracts for a truly energizing experience. Guys, This smells so good. It is so perfect for spring and summer. Every time that I have worn this scent, I have gotten compliments on it. Like every single time. I have this in the body wash, the lotion, the body butter, and the hand cream. They don't make a body mist in this scent, which I think is so crazy. So, listen, Soap of Glory, if you're listening, where's the body spray for this product? I'm obsessed with it. I want to smell like this all the time. But it just smells so good, and this body wash lathers up so nicely on my loofah. I do use this with my loofah, which I love a good loofah. I use the Dove soap on a washcloth, and I use the body wash on a loofah. I just find that this really exfoliates my skin, gets everything off, and it just makes me feel so fresh and so clean. And the scent is just, it's so good. Let me just read. It's time for some clean. Smooth a palmful on in the shower. Rub until suds appear, then rinse thoroughly to wash your worries away. Oh, that's so cute. But this is so good. Guys, if you love fruity scents, you're going to be obsessed with this because it smells like mango, and I love mango. So if you guys have not picked this up, it is so good. And I love Soap and Glory products because like they're just so cute, like with like the retro girl on it and everything like that. It's just so cute. I love having this in my shower, and it just smells so good. I cannot recommend this scent enough. Moving on to my lotion. Oh, wait. Let me just make sure. I do use this brush as well. I picked this up from like a natural like health food store. It has like really nice bristles on it, and they're nice and hard. So sometimes like maybe like once or twice a week, I'll take some body wash and just like scrub my back with this, my lower back, my upper back, like my mid back. I just love the way this feels, and I feel like it's really cleansing my back. I used to have back knee pretty bad. Not pretty bad. I had, back knee, but I found that this has helped so much. So I love this as well. So I just, wet this under the shower heads, pour some body wash on it, and just, get to scrubbing. Or I'll just like rub the Dove bar on it if I'm feeling like a little bit more sensitive that week, and it just works so well. But moving on to lotion, I have the matching lotion that goes with the Call of Fruity body wash. It is so good. This is called The Way She Smooths. Softening body lotion, refreshing, hydrating blend with mango and coconut oils, papaya, passion fruit, and algae extract for smooth satisfaction. And this is so good, you guys. Usually I don't like body lotions because they're really thin. They don't moisturize me enough. I usually go for body butters, but this one is so good. It smells divine, you guys. Like if you wear this, your boo is gonna be like, ooh girl, you be smelling fresh and so good. And I just love it so much. It just smells so good. I have this like I said, in the hand food of this scent, and I put it on like every single day after I wash my hands, especially because I've been washing my hands like every 5 minutes due to everything that's going on with this pandemic going on. But this just feels so good on my hands. I love putting this on after I shower. It's just like such like a therapeutic experience. It just feels so good and so nice, and I just feel so moisturized and just smelling fantastic. So if I don't use the body lotion, if I'm feeling like I need something a little bit thicker, I go ahead in with the same scent from Soap and Glory. This is called No Woman, No Dry, and this is the hydrating body butter, and it says an intensely moisturizing blend with coconut oil, cocoa butter, passion fruit, and aloe extracts for sensationally soft skin. So as you guys can see, this one just comes in a little tub. I was using this for a while because I didn't have the lotion, and I went ahead and picked up the lotion just because I didn't want to go through this so quick, because this is like a body butter, and I feel like sometimes it was a little heavy for me for every day because you shower every day. So I went ahead and got the lotion just to kind of supplement this. I do put this on my feet and like my elbows and my knees, things that I feel places that I feel need a little bit more moisture, and I just love this so much. This scent is everything. If you guys, once Ulta opens back up, go ahead and smell this scent and please let me know what you think because I love it so much. You can order Ulta online still, I believe, so if you guys trust my scent preferences, I highly recommend this. It's super fruity, so if you don't like fruity scents, you will hate this, I'm telling you. But if you love fruity scents, you'll be obsessed, just like me. Moving on, once I'm done and out of the shower, I go ahead and spray some perfume. If I'm just going to bed, I will go ahead and spray this Bodycology Pink Vanilla Mist Fragrance Mist. I picked this up from Walmart. It's just really, really nice. And it just smells like super fruity and just like really nice, especially for the spring and summer. The scents are sparkling blend of warm vanilla, almond, and pink peony. I love peonies. If I could smell like a peony every day, I'd be set, honestly, because peonies are my favorite flower and they just smell so, so good. And this just smells super, super nice, especially for the spring. It just smells like floral and warm and just like, you know, like you're ready to go out and like, you know, for like a spring picnic in the park with some wine, some cheese, and some salami. Oh my gosh, it smells that good. It doesn't smell like that, but it smells like the spring air, if that makes sense. I don't know where I'm going with this, but you guys know what I mean. So moving on to my fragrance if I'm going out, I go ahead and spray Amazing Grace from Philosophy. I didn't pick this up. I was gifted this for Christmas from my wonderful mother. I just love this scent so much. I'm not going to spray it because I just sprayed the other one, but this scent smells so good. It's like super, I don't want to say it's mature, but it's definitely not as like juvenile as like Pink Vanilla Mist, you know? But it's very warm and it's just like, it's floral. So if you don't like floral, I don't think you would like Amazing Grace. But sometimes it like doesn't match well with my pH that I have going on for the day. And I'll just spray more of the Pink Vanilla Peony, Pink Vanilla Wish or whatever. But most days before I go out, I go ahead and spray this, and I always guys, whenever I wear this, get a compliment on how good it smells. And this scent lasts a really long time on me as well, which I absolutely love, because if you're gonna spray a scent, you want it to last, you know what I mean? You don't want it to spray and then just like float off into the air, into the distance. But that is it, you guys. That is my spring hygiene routine. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below to look forward to new videos every single week. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. I hope that you guys are staying safe. Let me know how you're doing down below. And to all of my essential workers like myself, I hope that you guys are staying safe, staying healthy. And, you know, we appreciate you so much and thank you so much for your hard work. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Hopefully you enjoy spending time with me. I love spending time with you. And yeah, that's all I have to say. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next one very soon. I love you, girls. Mwah. Bye.